Students, let's solve this question. The question is, solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So this pair of equations is given. So first of all, we will change this pair of equations into pair of linear equations. These are not in the form of linear equations. These are not linear equations. So first of all, we'll reduce them into linear equations. Then we'll solve this. And this thing we'll do by doing some suitable substitution. So if I put, see here, if I put 1 over x minus 1 as some other variable, suppose that is a, and 1 over y minus 2, suppose it is b, then what we get from these two equations? So first equation will become 5 into, this is 1 over x minus 1, that is 5a. 1 over x minus 1 I have assumed as a, so it becomes 5a, plus this is b, so it is b is equal to 2. This is our first equation, and second is 6 over x minus 1. So 6 into 1 over x minus 1, that is, so it is a, so it becomes 6 over a, minus 3 over y minus 2 means 3 into 1 over y minus 2. 3 into 1 over y minus 2 is b, so that is this, is equal to 1. So now it is changed into pair of linear equations now. Now we'll solve these by elimination method. So in elimination method, what we do, we'll make the coefficient of either a or b in both the equations the same. So if I multiply equation 1 by 3, I get the coefficient of b in both the equations as 3 and 3. So it can be done. So I'll write multiply equation 1 by 3. So it becomes 5 3s are 15, 15a plus 3 into b is 3b is equal to 2 into 3 is 6. So second equation we'll write as it is. Now if signs of both these variables is different, then we'll add these equations. So adding these two equations, I get here, this is cancelled. Now 15a plus 6a, that is 21a, is equal to 6 plus 1, that is 7. So a will be 7 over 21, that is 1 over 3. Now we'll put the value of a as 1 by 3 in any one of the equation. So let's put in 1. So we'll write put a is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. So 5a, a is 1 by 3, so 5 into 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. So it becomes 5 over 3. So b is equal to 2 minus 5 over 3. It will go in right hand side. So b is equal to, take 3 is here LCM. So here it is 1, 1, 3s are 3. So multiply by 3. So 6, 3 to the 6 minus 5. So b is 1 by 3. So a is also 1 by 3, b is also 1 by 3. Now we'll go in these equations. We have, because we need to find the value of x and y, not of a and b only. So here 1 by x minus 1 is a. So here 1 over x minus 1 is a. A value of a is 1 by 3. Now we'll do cross multiply here. So x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1 is equal to, it is 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. Similarly, we'll get the value of y also. So we'll put the value of b as 1 by 3 here. So we have this equation, 1 over y minus 2 is b. So we'll write 1 over y minus 2 is, what is b? b is 1 by 3. Now if I cross multiply, I'll get y minus 2 is equal to 3. Now y is equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is the answer of this question. Now let's do this third part. 4 over x plus 3y is equal to 14, and then 3 over x minus 4y is equal to 23. So here if you see, here 3y and 4y, it is fine because their power is 1 already. Okay, so we need to change this 4 over x and 3 over x. So if I put 1 by x as anything you put here a. Okay, so in above equations, so it becomes here 4 over x means 4 into 1 by x. 1 by x is a, so it means it is 4a plus 3y as it is equal to 14. This is equation number 1. Now next becomes 3 over x means 3 into 1 by x. So that is 3 into a minus 4y is equal to 23. Now we'll solve these two equations with the help of elimination method. So in elimination method, what we do, we'll make the coefficient of either a or y same in both the equations. So if I multiply this equation by 4, one equation by 4, I get 12y here, and this equation by 3, then I get here 12y. So the coefficients will be same, so I can do like this way. So multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. So let's multiply by 4. It becomes 16a plus 12y is equal to 14 4s are 56. Now this equation by 3, so it becomes 3 3s are 9a minus 12y is equal to 3s are, so 23 3s are 69. So now what we do, because signs of these two coefficient is different, so we'll just add these two equations. So this will be cancelled. 16a plus 9a is 25a is equal to, if we add these two, we'll get 125. So a is 125 over 25, that is 25 1s are 25 5s are, so a is 5 here. So this is a. Now what we do, we'll fill the value of a as 5 here. So we have here, we'll write, we have 1 by x as a, 1 by x as a. So 1 by x is a means 5. So if 1 by x is 5, then if we cross multiply, we will get 5x is 1 and x is 1 by 5, or simply you can write taking reciprocal on both sides, so x will be 1 by 5. So value of x is 1 by 5. Now this value of x we can fill in any of the equation, we get the value of y also. So let's fill in this equation. So from the given equation, so here we have not given any name to this equation, so you can give the name here also, number 3. So we'll write, put x is equal to 1 by 5 in equation 3. So let's see, 4 over x is 1 over 5, that 5 will go up in the numerator, plus 3y is equal to 14. So it is 20 plus 3y is equal to 14. So 3y is equal to 14 minus 20. So 3y is equal to, if I minus this, it is minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 over 3, that is minus 2. So it means x is 1 by 5 and y is minus 2, answer of this question. Thanks for watching.